Hello friends, welcome to Inheritance. I hope you all are doing well. So bank exams are around the corner, starting with RRB, then IBPS, PO, IBPS Clerk, etc. and finally IBPS SO, the Specialist Officer one. So today we will be discussing some seating arrangement problem and how to approach the topic. This is concept building class mainly designed for the beginners. Also, if you are an experienced students and facing difficulty in solving puzzle and sitting arrangement problems, so you can also watch this class. So before starting the class, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, then please do hit the like button, and you can also comment on the video. Your suggestions are always welcome because it's a new channel, and if you want to say something, if you want to suggest something, please comment whatever you want to say in the comment section. And thanks for watching the video. So let's proceed. See, sitting arrangement, we will be discussing some linear sitting arrangement problems. So what is sitting arrangement? If 4 people or 5 people are sitting like this, if like 4 people sitting like this, somebody facing north and somebody facing south. So if this is A, B, C and D, so we will be always doing it like north, south, east and west. So if someone is facing north, means this way. So for A, C is at which place? It's first and second. It's second to the right of A. And for C, where is A? We don't know. If we say C is facing south, then A is also second to the right. So whenever we will see any linear problem or a linear sitting arrangement, we will be doing this: north and south. East and west are not needed when it is in horizontal line. If it is a vertical line, then east and west are needed. Also you can change it to horizontal, and then you will have to take north and south. If it is A, B, C, D like this, then this is east and west. If I see D is third east of A, then you have to take it like this. But you also can rotate it in A, B, C, D, and you can also solve it using north south method. So this is a basic. And if 4 people, it's in a linear line. If it is in a parallel line, like A, B, C, D, these are 4 people, and there is E, F, G and H. So the problem will be given like some people in it's a row 1 and it's row 2. Problem will be given like some people are sitting in row 1 like A, B, C, D, they are facing north, then it will be like this, and they are facing south, row 2, it will be like this. But if the question is given that row 1 member of row 1 faces the member of row 2 and vice versa, then this won't be possible. The case should be these people are facing south and these people will be facing north. Okay, so this is the basics. Now we'll be solving problems. So let's take our first puzzle of today. See, 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G are sitting in a straight line facing north, but not necessarily in the same order. E sits third from the right end, B sits third to the right of G, who is not an immediate neighbor of C or A. So when you start a puzzle, you just need to read every line very carefully. See, B sits third to the right of G, there is a comma, then it's your understanding skill, like G who is not an immediate neighbor of C. So it's not talking about B, this line is talking about G, and like the same way, G who is not an immediate neighbor of C or A who sits third to the left of D, D who is an immediate neighbor of G. So you have to read it very carefully. So main thing is you need to read, you need to jot down what you need to do and then solve it accordingly. So I will tell you the approach. See, there is 7 persons, so there can't be more than 7. So when you place someone, you need to remember that there is only 7 persons in the row or in the straight line. So let's start it. How can we start? E sits third from the right end. Okay, so we will take two cases. This is case 1 and this is case 2. Okay, so in case 1, 7 person, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 1 is extra. Okay, this 7, and in case 2 there is also 7 persons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So see, E sits third from the right end, so this is the right end. Okay, and all are facing north, so it's given that all are facing north. So E sits third from the right end, so if this is the right end, then 1 2 3, then E is third from the right end, from this end. It's not which direction, it's from this end. Which one is third? 1 2 3, this is third. We'll do the same in this case. Now see, B sits third to the right of G, who is not an immediate neighbor of C or A who sits third to the left of D, who is an immediate neighbor of G. So there is nothing is related to E here. Now here comes E. E sits between D and B, so E must be, D must be here, or here also B. So D and B. So let's do something. For this case we take D here and B here, and for this case we will take B here and D here. B who sits on the immediate left of C. So B who sits on the immediate left of C. B can't sit on the immediate left of C because everyone is facing north direction, right? So if B sits immediate left of C, then C must be here. So this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay, this is the left side and this is the right side. This is the right side and this is the left side. So C, this is immediate left, this is second left, this is third left, this is fourth left, this is fifth left, this is sixth left. So C's immediate left is B. Here it is correct. But if we place B as the immediate left of C, this is not possible here. So this case is gone. Now we will focus on only this case. See, B who sits on the immediate left of C, it's done. Neither B nor F sits at any end of the line. So C, B, E and D is already placed. So F can't be here because F cannot sit at any end of the line. So F must be in between these two places, one of these two places. There is only one person sit between C and E, but that person is neither G nor F. It's already done. We know that person is B. Now focus on G, because we have left G, F and A, right? So let's focus on G. B sits third to the right of G. Third to the right of G. 1, 2, 3. Now check. 1, 2, 3. So this side is right. So B sits third to the right of G. 1, 2, 3. G is placed. D, who is an immediate neighbor of G. D, who is an immediate neighbor of G. It is also okay. G, who is not an immediate neighbor of C or A. So we know C is placed, already placed. So G, who is not an immediate neighbor of C or A. So A is left. Now can A sit here? No, because A is not an immediate neighbor of G. So A have to be there, A. So if we place A here, then C, only one item is left, one member is left, which is F. So now place F here and it is already solved. Okay, I hope you like this approach. This is how we approach a linear sitting arrangement problem. So let's check the next problem. This is a parallel sitting arrangement problem. Let's see the question first. 12 people are sitting in two parallel rows. Like there is a row and there is a row. Some people are sitting here, A, B, C, D, whatever, and here is I, J, K, L, I, G. Sorry, this I, J, K, L, M. So it's like this. In row 1, A, B, C, D. So we will take two cases here. Always make two cases or three cases, whatever you need. Don't try to solve it in one case, because there might be problem, because there are so many possibilities. Like in the last video, last question, what we saw. So there will be problems where you can solve it in single case, but there will be problems where you cannot solve it even in two cases. You need three cases there. So there are so many possibilities. So always get ready to make more cases. See, in row 1 it is A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 person, and in row 2 I, G, K, L, M, N, 6 person also. So L sits third to the left of I if does not face I. So we have to make a parallel row like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and in case 2 also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is wait. Okay, so you have to delete the last part. Now I would write it in a fresh way. This is case 1 and this is case 2. Now let's see. L sits third to the left of I if does not face I. So if we start with L and I, we know that they are in the second row, so they must be here. Now see, L sits third to the left of I. So if I is here, then L is 1, 2, 3. L is here. If I is here, L is 1, 2, 3 here. If I is here, L must be here. Now see, neither L nor I sits at extreme ends. So this case is gone. So this L accordingly, this I is gone. This I is gone, accordingly this L is gone. Sorry, this L is gone. So only one case left, I and L. 1, 2, 3. So both are not at any extreme ends. So L and I. Now if does not face I, so we will not be taking this because we don't have many options related to if right now. So let's see other cases. G sits at one of the extreme ends. Okay, so let's take G as here and G as here. Only two people sit between G and M. So 1, 2. M must be here if G is here. 1, 2. M must be here if G is at this position. M does not face F. So F can't be here. F can't be here. Now see the other cases. Two persons sit between C and B. We don't know where is C, where is B. C is not an immediate neighbor of E. We don't know where is E. E is not an immediate neighbor of C. We don't know where is A or C. Neither L nor I sits at extreme ends. Okay, done. F does not sit at any of the extreme ends. So F does not sit at any of the extreme ends. And E faces L. See, there is a catch. E faces L. So where is L? E will be above L because it will face L. So they are row 1. Okay, R1 and this is R2. This is R1 and this is R2. So R1 is facing south and R2 is facing the north. Okay, they are R1, they are facing south. E faces L. So we have done this. E faces L. E doesn't face N. C is not an immediate neighbor of F. So we are not interested to see this. We will check some other clauses. L sits third to the left of I. F doesn't face I. G sits only two people sit with G and M. If this is done, F is not an immediate neighbor of E. Okay, F is not an immediate neighbor of E. So F is not here. All these positions, F is not an immediate neighbor of E. So in both the places F can't sit, and F can sit in these three places. So if F cannot sit against M, opposite of M. F does not face I. So this position is also blocked for F. F does not sit any of the extreme ends, so this position is also blocked for F. So if this position is only left, and here F cannot sit here, so here also this position is left. Now see, F does not face I, so this position is also cancelled. Okay, so let's see. A doesn't face N, so we don't know where is A, where is N, etc. So this case is dismissed. Okay, this case is dismissed because we can't place F at any of these 6 positions because this is the wrong arrangement. So we need to focus only on this case. So where this one is on the right path. So if you make 1 or 2 cases or 3 cases, you will eventually know that your right direction, your right path. You will definitely choose the right path. So here we made 2 cases, case 1 and case 2, and we have already understood that case 2 is not gonna make it. Okay, now C is not an immediate neighbor of E, so C is not here and is not also here. So C has to be in these 2 places, one of these 2 places. So 2 persons sit between C and B. And let's see something related to to C. Where is C? C is not an immediate neighbor of E. A is not an immediate neighbor of C. So A or E, neither A nor E can sit immediate to C. C is not an immediate neighbor of F. So C cannot be here also. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is not at any of these positions. So C must be here. And two persons sit between C and B. So 1 and 2, B has to be there. Okay. Just okay. If doesn't sit at any of the extremes, is done. A does not face in. A does not face in. So which one is left? A, B, C, D, E, F. E, B, F, C. So A and D are left. A does not face N. So we don't know where is A, where is D. And let's see. And here I, G, K, L, M, N. I, G, L, M. K and N is not here. Well, A is not an immediate neighbor of C. Read this line carefully. A is not an immediate neighbor of C. So A is not here. So A must be here. So if A is here, then which one is left? D is left. We will place D. It has to be here. It has to be there because we have placed 5 positions correctly and the one is left. So that one must be here. A does not face N. So A doesn't face N. So N has to be there. And which one is left? K. You can place K. Now let's see. This is the correct arrangement. In row 1, A, E, B, F, D, C. And in row 2, K, L, M, N, I, G. Okay. So this is our prelims level puzzle. So you can expect this in mains, but there should be 1 or 2 questions with this puzzle. But in prelims, you can expect for prelims, you can expect this 5 questions. So this level is IBPS clerk, even IBPS PO level, and also it can come in IBPS SO, IT officer, HR officer exam. So I hope you understood the technique or the approach I am trying to teach you or trying to show you, because the more possibilities you make, the more cases you make, it will become much easier. Because see, if I make this in one case, right, in this only case 1, it is correct. I know it is correct because sometimes if I make one case, it will be correct. That is luck, pure luck, nothing else. And if we make 2 cases, then we'll if we see, there is 3-4 possibilities with each members. Like if this is one possibility, this is 2 possibility, and if doesn't face I. Okay, if is not an immediate neighbor of E. So if can be at any places, you have no idea. But when you find the particular place for if and you are confirmed that if is here, it must be here, so you will definitely find the other members. So here we found if in case 1 at 1, 2, 3, 4th position, and in case 2 we could not place if at any of these 6 positions. So we already understood that case 2 is not working. Okay, so the more case you make, this is the best thing about solving a puzzle or a sitting arrangement or any kind of puzzles. You need to make more cases, and when you start, it's difficult, it's very difficult. But when you solve more and more puzzles, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 puzzles a day, that would become very, very easy. Okay, I hope you like the video. So we'll be doing some more questions on reasoning and also on quant. So more puzzles and sitting arrangements are coming in the next week. I hope you like the video, and okay, have a great day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.